Hello everyone, so super quick overview of Instagram Reels. This feature was just released on Instagram app. So first, you don't need to download any additional app or something like that. Instagram Reels is inside of updated Instagram app. So to access it, just go to your home screen and find this camera icon in top left. Go there, and then in the very bottom to the right of the story you will see Reels. So there you have it. This is Instagram Reels. So what you can do here, so you can record video just by pressing here. So now you just recorded first part of the video. Maximum is 15 seconds. Then on the left menu you have all the effects. So here's, for example, slow motion or fast speed. Then you can add different effects. So this is just like different effects similar to Instagram stories. Then you can enable timer here, and then you can enable align. So this is helpful feature as well. To add music, you can just tap here and then just select specific music you want, or you can just go to browse different categories, different genres and stuff like that. So when you added by pressing here, 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 by pressing, then it's a standard story layout. I won't be stopping there. You can just add all the additional text, annotations and stuff like that. And then that's the last screen here. So you can write some annotation, and then you can select, do you want your Reels to share to Instagram feed as well, or you can just share it to stories. And then you can just tap share to Reels, and then in the bottom you will see sharing to Reels. So there you have it. You will need to wait a bit, and then it's posted. And then where to find Reels on your Instagram profile, so you will have this tab right here. So that's that. And then you can also find Reels, I guess, somewhere here in the Explore feed. They will be marked as Reels. So as you can see here, new Instagram feature Reels, and it's marked in the bottom left with Reels sign. So that's about that, guys. So super quick overview. So Reels is kind of answer from Instagram to the popularity of TikTok. So it's kind of a TikTok-like features inside of Instagram. So that's that. Hopefully it was helpful. Leave your additional suggestions in the comments below. Do you like Reels? You don't like them? Which additional tricks and hacks can you recommend and stuff like that?